Chanex 47 Whiskey New KNH 1020. Continue approach, wind 040 degrees 13 knots.
KNH 1020, continue approach, Chanex 47 Whiskey.
79er Victor Uniform descent 6,000 feet. Report field inside for straight in approach after remix.
6,000, 1020, report airfield inside for straighting visual 04, runway 79 Victor Uniform.
Lufthansa Cargo 8343, climb flight level 140.
140, Lufthansa Cargo 8343.
Lufthansa Cargo 8343, Nicosia radar 128.075.
28075, Lufthansa Cargo 8343.
It's just before the bay. There will be another bay.
Okay. 4,000 feet.
So I believe it's just there. It goes left and then it goes...
Yeah, I can see
actually, I think I can see the airport.
Is that
I see a black white strip.
Yes, should be that one, yeah.
Speed press 6 Charlie Alpha, expedite via
This
Bravo,
must be the
ground
city.
119.4.
This is
Via Bravo and 119.
Limassol.
Kamazip 773, descend circuit altitude, arrange spacing and report final
Altimeters.
at number 3. The preceding is number 2.
773, roger, continue approach.
Fuse balance, 4 propulsion lights.
201 Papa Lima, maintain high speed of Tokyo.
Okay, we'll do our best.
Chanex 47 Whiskey, runway 04, you are clear to land. Wind 040 degrees 12 knots.
Land 04, transport 7 Whiskey.
79er Victor Uniform, continuing descend 4,000 feet.
Continue descend 4,000. 79 Victor Uniform.
4,000 check. I'm happy to stay with visual. Huh?
Okay, yeah.
We just do visually this. I mean, we just follow this and
we
then
just followed, yeah.
79 Victor Uniform visual with the airfield.
Roger, I will advise.
Gonna change.
I think that's that's the airport there. Yeah, this is it.
It seems like...
Well, it doesn't matter, we can just follow this and
just
we'll see
follow
it
them.
eventually.
Yeah. Okay, so the 10 checks we did. We can do the freeze, cool.
Yeah.
Chanex
Yeah.
47 Whiskey, vacate Bravo, Conan ground 119.4.
Rings are set for an array.
119,
0410 and 4. And 0404 course is set, standby set. First complete. Approach checks, altimeters and instruments.
Cross check.
Approach checks.
Check.
First complete.
Papa Lima, runway 30 degrees 14 knots.
1 Papa Lima, 4 miles.
1 Papa Lima, runway 04, clear to land. Wind 020 degrees 15 knots.
Clear land, 1 Papa Lima.
Niner Victor Uniform, after remix you are clear for straight in visual approach, descent circuit altitude report final.
After remix we clear for destraining visual and report final. 79 Victor Uniform.
What do we have for the... yeah, so 2000.
2000, yeah.
Check.
Start reducing speed.
bien, bien.
Tumjud 1 Papa Lima, vacate Bravo, Kundan ground 119, your decimal 4.
Okay, Bravo 119, decimal 4, Tomjet 1 Papa Lima.
Flaps 1.
Speed checks.
Tamazip 773, runway 04, clear
Flaps
to land,
5.
wind
Speed
020 degrees,
checks.
11 knots.
Clear to land runway 04, Tamazzi 773.
That's 5.
So it's gonna be a VNAV now.
Yeah, check.
So remix next altitude we set 2000. So
2000 check.
Final 04, 9 Victor Uniform.
Roger, continue approach, wind 050 degrees, 16 knots.
Continue approach, 9 Victor Uniform.
Wizard 8 Bravo, Quebec, line up runway 04 and wait.
I have and wait 04 with 8 Bravo, Quebec.
Tamazip 773, thank you for the cooperation, vacate Bravo, and ground 119, decimal 4.
Vacating Bravo 194, Tamazzi 773. Have a good day, bye-bye.
Tower, good afternoon, Air Serbia 68 Romeo, holding point, hotel for runway 04.
Wizard 8 Bravo, Quebec, runway 04, clear for takeoff, wind 060 degrees, 12 knots.
If I take 04 with 8 Bravo, Quebec.
Good afternoon, Air Serbia 68 Romeo, Larnaca Tower, are you ready?
Air Serbia 68 Romeo.
Air Serbia 68 Romeo, line up runway 04 and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 04, Air Serbia 68 Romeo.
79 Victor uniform, continue with minimum approach speed.
Minimum approach speed, 9 Victor Uniform.
Go with the gear and everything.
yes, yeah.
Yep.
Get down for 15
Speed
with
checks.
96 flaps.
Start switches.
Continuous.
Recall.
Check.
Speed brake.
Where is it? No.
Total, Alkia 166.
Green light.
Akia
Landing gear.
166,
Not a great
Larnaca
auto brake.
Tower, good afternoon,
3 flaps
should
30.
expect after the
Speed
next
checks.
landing.
Holding so.
Air
Approaching
Serbia
descent.
68 Romeo,
600
clear flight
feet,
level
120.
120.
Cleared level 120,
30,
Serbia
30,
68
green
Romeo.
light.
Then he has to go.
Check.
With
Right
8 and Bravo, Quebec, rate of climb you can maintain until 120.
Which rate would you like with 8 Bravo, Quebec?
2000 feet per minute or greater.
Yeah, for the time being, we need to accelerate and clean up the aircraft.
I hear it time through 311, now waiting for measurement, descending 130, approach perfect.
Sepia 68 Romeo, maintain rate of climb 2000 feet per minute or less.
5 2000.
Copy. Sepia 68 Romeo, welcome.
Checks
Wizard 8 Bravo Quebec, when ready, maintain 2000 feet per minute or greater.
Roger, in that case we ask for a bit higher speed so we can clean up and give you higher rate with 8 Bravo Quebec.
Free speed, sir, free speed.
Thank you, free speed.
Sabia 68 Romeo, runway 04, clear for takeoff, wind 030 degrees 12 knots.
Takeoff 04, Sabia 68 Romeo.
Cyprus 311, Kalispera, Larnaca, approach follow Bafos 12 arrival, descend 4000 feet, QNH 1019.
Bafos arrival 4000, 1019, QNH Cyprus 311.
Wizard 8 Bravo Quebec, you are clear direct Bonek.
Boeing, thank you, with 8 Bravo Quebec.
Right to red, with approach altitude.
just 2000.
Set.
Let's check.
Okay, disconnecting.
Check.
Seven Niner Victor uniform, wind 030 degrees 16 knots, runway 04, clear to land.
Clear land 04, 79 Victor uniform.
Good.
And the lights on.
Check. Landing checks complete.
Check. Check.
500, continue.
Check. 500. Check. Continue.
Arkia 166, line up runway 04 and wait.
Runway also 4, runway 166.
Speed back up.